Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which state government has introduced the Prerna scheme to support welfare initiatives for its youth and students? Right answer is option B, Assam. In which Indian state was the Orunodoi 3.0 scheme launched to provide financial assistance to poor families? Right answer is option A, Assam. The Auto Driver La Sevalo scheme aimed at welfare of auto drivers has been launched by which state? Right answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. The Chief Minister Divyangjan Udyami Yojana was launched by which state government to support persons with disabilities? Correct answer is option B, Bihar. Which government has launched the Shraddhanjali scheme as a social welfare initiative? Right answer is option A, Assam. Which Indian state is set to launch the Chief Minister's health insurance scheme to expand healthcare coverage? Correct answer is option D, Punjab. The Mission Punaruthan, focusing on rehabilitation and development initiatives, was launched in which state? Right answer is option B, Nagaland. Which state has launched eSwathu 2.0 for digitization of rural property records? Correct answer is option B, Karnataka. The Mukhyamantri Bharat Darshan Yojana for government school students was launched by which state? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. Which state government initiated the Bhumi Sudhar Samvad program to address land related issues? Correct answer is option A, Bihar. The eBhavishya Pension Reform Initiative was launched by which Indian state? Correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Which state has launched the Chief Minister's Foreign Language Initiative for Global Human Talent? Correct answer is option C, Assam. The cabinet of which state has approved the Prohibition of Polygamy Bill 2025? Correct answer is option B, Assam. The Shakti Shri program aimed to ensure safety of girl students was launched by which state? Correct answer is option A, Odisha. What is the primary objective of the Ardabidda Nidhi scheme launched in Andhra Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, empower women through financial assistance. Which Indian state has launched the Nari Adalat initiative to provide justice for women? Correct answer is option C, Sikkim. Which state government has launched the Mukhyamantri Sarbat Sehat Bhima Yojana, a flagship state health insurance scheme? Correct answer is option A, Punjab. The Mukhyamantri Vrindavan Gram Yojana, aimed at developing model rural villages, was launched by which state? Right answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Who launched the Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Poverty Free Village Scheme? Correct answer is option B, Rajasthan government. The DigiLakshmi scheme, aimed at digitally empowering urban poor women, was launched by which state? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Which Indian state has launched the Rajbhavan Annadan scheme to provide food assistance? Correct answer is option A, Goa. The Mukhyamantri Pratigya scheme to empower youth with skill development and internships was launched by which state government? Right answer is option B, Bihar. Which state has launched the Young Entrepreneur Scheme to teach business skills in government schools from 2026? Correct answer is option A, Punjab. The Chief Minister's Mobile Operation Theatre initiative to provide advanced surgical and diagnostic services was started by which state? Correct answer is option B, Nagaland. The Sadbhavna Legacy Cases Resolution Scheme was launched by which Indian state? Correct answer is option B, Himachal Pradesh. Which Indian state launched the Samman Sanjeevani app under the Mahila Evam Kishori Samman Yojana? Right answer is option B, Haryana. In which Indian state was the Mukhyamantri Samriddhi Parivar Yojana introduced to provide financial assistance for the needy families? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. The Pandit Lakshmi Chand Kalakar Samajik Samman Yojana, launched in 2025, aims to support senior artists in which state? Correct answer is option B, Haryana. Which state government launched the Vande Ganga Water Conservation Campaign on World Environment Day 2025? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. The Nayi Disha initiative to reconnect school dropouts with the education system was launched by whom? Right answer is option B, Delhi Police. Which state became the first in India to implement the Uniform Civil Code? Right option is A, Uttarakhand. In which state has the Rajiv Yuva Vikasam scheme been launched recently? Right answer is option B, Telangana. Which state or union territory launched the eSehat app to improve healthcare access in April 2025? Right answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Which Indian state police recently launched the GP Drasti drone surveillance program? Right answer is option B, Gujarat. Which state launched the Adi Shakti Abhiyan, aims to enhance grassroots women's empowerment? Right answer is option C, Maharashtra. The Chief Minister of which state inaugurated India's first fully integrated disaster warning system called Kavacham? Right answer is option C, Kerala. In which Indian state was the Mukhyamantri Kanya Atmanirbhar Yojana launched to empower girls and young women? Right answer is option B, Tripura. The Utensils Bank initiative to be set up in every Gram Panchayat was recently announced by which state government? Correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. Which state launched the AI based chronic eye screening program Nayanamritam 2.0? Right answer is option D, Kerala. The Pujari Granthi Samman Yojana, launched to support temple priests, has been introduced by which state government? Correct answer is option A, Delhi government. The world's largest wildlife rescue center, Vantara, was inaugurated in which state? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. The Shahid Madhu Singh Hath Kharcha scheme for financial support to tribal students has been launched by which state? Correct answer is option A, Odisha. The largest petrochemical plant in India is planned to be constructed in which Indian state? Right answer is option A, Odisha. The Anantnagar Yojana, aimed at providing affordable plots and housing, was introduced in which city? Correct answer is option C, Lucknow. Which state government has launched the Garudakshi online FIR system to curb wildlife crimes? Right option is C, Karnataka. Which state has officially launched the Maitri 2.0 portal? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. The Ayushman Bharat Vaya Vandan Yojana, aimed at supporting senior citizens, was launched in which state or union territory? Right answer is option B, Puducherry. Which state government launched the Shram Shri scheme to provide assistance to migrant workers? Correct answer is option A, West Bengal. Which state government launched the Thayumanavar scheme in August 2025 to ensure doorstep delivery of ration to beneficiaries? Right answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Which state government launched the Vidya Shakti initiative to provide online remedial education for slow learners? Right answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. In October 2025, Union Home Minister Amit Shah launched the Maaje Ghar Yojana of which state government? Correct answer is option D, Goa. Which state government has launched the Deen Dayal Lodha Lakshmi scheme to support women entrepreneurs? Right answer is option B, Haryana. The Baraputra Aitihya Gram Yojana, launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to promote cultural heritage and rural tourism, was introduced in which state? Correct answer is option C, Odisha. Which state government launched the Mukhyamantri Mahila Rojgar Yojana in September 2025? Right answer is option B, Bihar. Which state government has launched the Deen Dayal Lodha Lakshmi scheme to support women entrepreneurs? Right answer is option B, Haryana. Which state became the first in India to implement the revised BharatNet scheme across its entire territory? Right answer is option A, Punjab. In August 2025, which Indian state became the first to implement the Disha Abhiyan to provide equal education to students with intellectual disabilities? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. In July 2025, which state launched a 5 rupee per litre milk subsidy scheme to strengthen its dairy sector? Right answer is option B, Assam. In which state was India's first vulture conservation portal launched for the protection of vultures? Right answer is option B, Assam. Which Indian state launched Operation Kalnemi to take strict action against fake saints exploiting people? Right answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Which state government recently launched the Gajamitra scheme to combat the human elephant conflict? Right answer is option C, Assam. Which state government launched the Parth Yojana, Police Army Recruitment Training and Hunar, in January 2025? Correct option is A, Madhya Pradesh. The Free Fine Rice scheme, which provides high quality rice at no cost, was first launched by which Indian state? Correct answer is option C, Telangana. Which state government announced an allocation of rupees 1500 crore for roads and introduced the Nodi Bandhan scheme in budget 2025? Correct answer is option A, West Bengal. In which Indian state was the Shiksha Sanjeevani Bhima Yojana recently launched to provide accidental insurance to school children? Correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. The Talliki Vandanam scheme aimed at supporting mothers was launched by which Indian state? Right answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Which Indian state launched the Kalainar Kaivinai Thittam scheme to support traditional artisans? Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Which Indian state launched the Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan to boost agricultural progress? Correct answer is option A, Tripura. The Indira Sauragiri Jala Vikasam scheme was recently launched to empower tribal farmers by the Chief Minister of which state? Correct answer is option A, Telangana. Which state government has launched the Resham Sakhi Yojana to support silk industry entrepreneurs? Right answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian state government launched the Pragati Patha scheme to improve and develop rural road network? Correct answer is option B, Karnataka. Which state government recently approved the Rahveer scheme to incentivize people to help road accident victims? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian state has launched the Mahavistar app to assist farmers ahead of the Kharif season? Right answer is option A, Maharashtra. Which Indian state government has introduced the One Family, One Entrepreneur policy to promote self employment? Correct answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Which state government launched the Jyoti scheme to bring migrant children into the education system? Right answer is option C, Kerala. G Safal scheme aimed at uplifting 50,000 underprivileged women has been launched by which state government? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Which Indian state government launched the Swami Vivekananda Yuva Shakti mission to empower youth? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Which state government has recently launched the Deen Dayal Upadhyay Bhumihin Krishi Majdoor Kalyan Yojana to support landless farmers? Right answer is option C, Chhattisgarh. Which state launched the Pink e-rickshaw scheme to support women's safety in April 2025? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. The Rajiv Gandhi Van Samvardhan Yojana was launched to enhance environmental conservation by the Chief Minister of which state? Correct answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.